was born in Mohyal Brahmin family at Kartarpur, a small town of Jalandhar in Punjab in the year 1778. His childhood name was Brajlal. At the tender age of 5, the boy lost his eyesight after an attack of smallpox. His father sent him to a Sanskrit school. The blind boy had an amazing power to memorize everything, and this helped him learn the grammar by Shruti. A few years later, his parents died, leaving the boy at mercy of his elder brother and sister-in-law. Since they did not treat him well, Virjananda decided to leave the house. Rishikesh in Himalayas is known as the void of sage. His wandering led him to Rishikesh, where he led a life of meditation for about 3 years. Not fully satisfied, he left Rishikesh for search of better teacher. Famous for the at Haridwar, Virjanand came in contact with one Swami Purnananda, a renowned Sanskrit scholar of that time, who initiated him into sannyas and gave Bridla the name of Swami Virjanand Saraswati. Swami Purnananda created in him a deep love for Sanskrit grammar and for the Arsha Shastras. He also started teaching others the Vedic literature. In a short period, he was recognized as a great Sanskrit scholar. His vast knowledge took him to Kashi. He lived there for about 10 years, mastering the subject of Mimamsa, Ayurveda and Vedanta. Still unsatisfied, he left Rishikesh for Gaya. Famous for his studies of Upanishad and other Vedic literature, with his learning at Haridwar and Kashi, and because of his exceptionally memory, he made a comprehensive and surgical study of Upanishad. Calcutta at that time into a great center of Vedanta studies. Learning this, Virjananda decided to shift to Calcutta, where Sanskrit scholars from all over the country used to come for learning higher study. Where Sanskrit scholars from all over the country, which he became known as a great master. He acquired a good status for the city and enjoyed a comfortable life. In 1860, Dayanand found his guru and mentor Guru Virjanand at Mathura. And lastly, we're talking about his death. Swami Virjanand died on Monday at the age of 90. India honored Swami Virjanand by opening many institutions on 40 September 1971. The Post and Telegraph Department of India stamp in his honor. I hope you like my speech, and last, I want to special thank to all of you. Thank you.